Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Golf. Today we're going to do a real quick review on a product that I've used for at least 5 or 6 years. If you're like most of us, when you golf, you wear a hat. The problem with wearing a hat every time is you sweat through it, ruin it, or someone like myself, maybe you get face breaks out, you get bumps, you get a rash, whatever it is. I found this product years ago called No Sweat Disposable Hat Liner. This guy. And I've used them, this is probably on my 40th or 50th one that I've used over the years. So when I was doing this review, I did a little bit of research and discovered that these guys make these liners for helmets, hats, visors, anything you can put on your head, they have a liner for. So I want to show you how easy they are to use, the functionality of them, and what I would suggest using them for. So first and foremost, they're great to kind of collect the sweat in your hat. What they're also great for is if you have a fitted hat that's a little too big, you can put something like these in, and it actually makes the hat a little snug up, which is great. So I started using these again about 4 or 5 years ago. I was tired of ruining hats, and if you've seen my other videos, with the Melin or any of these guys, I like to wash my hat almost every time I wear them, even with these liners. I find them great for a variety of things. So let me show you real quick how these guys work. So I'm just going to take one of my new Modern Golf hats. I'll show you this way. So you basically just, comes with an adhesive. So you just peel it off like this. This is the back of it, so you can see. It's got little cutouts so you can bend it. So what I do is just start in the middle. Kind of put it down like that. You can see it kind of stays put. So this is a great tool. You can use it 1 round, 3 rounds, whatever frequency you want. These vary by price between $1 to $2. They have all kinds of programs. You can get them automatically shipped. And again, for visors, helmets, hats, you name it. Couple things I will tell you, I would not leave these in forever. So what happens is, as you leave these in, this adhesive breaks down and almost puts like a gummy residue on the hat liner itself. But for a product that I've used, and again, I'm not being sponsored or paid for my review here, it's a really, really good product. Again, I know you can probably buy these anywhere right about now. Certainly can go on their website and check them out. But just a great product, just something that I thought would help you guys keep your hats around longer. Again, just a great little product. Guys, please like and subscribe. We have a ton of golf stuff coming up. But again, if there's anything you want to see, let us know. But again, a great, very inexpensive tool to keep your nice hats looking new pretty much forever. Talk to you soon, guys. Thank you.